Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business email banner using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an email banner for business communication. I pause because emails compete for attention. I duplicate the layer first. I open Smart Sharpen and focus on the main headline area. I increase amount slowly and stop often. I adjust radius so text edges stay smooth. I zoom in and reduce noise to avoid harshness. I compare before and after carefully. The banner now feels clearer and more professional. I zoom out and imagine it in an inbox. The business message now stands out without feeling aggressive. Smart Sharpen here improves readability and trust. I stop when the banner feels clean and inviting. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder every day.